Hello, I'm Anuja.
Hello, my name is Bhasha.
We both work at the City Palace Museum Udaipur as art conservators, and our responsibility is to take care of the museum collection. We are basically like doctors taking care of all the museum objects when they are sick and in need of treatment to help relieve them of their problems and extend their healthy life.
Our workspace is our conservation laboratory, a newly established state of the art facility. The absolutely unique aspect is the fact that it has been set up in an old royal living quarter within the palace where the mother of one of the former Maharanas used to live. The heritage space has been restored and modified to convert it into a laboratory. Many elements have been retained, such as the pillars and arches, the green and yellow color tones of the walls, colored glasses in windows, and beautiful ceiling decoration in one of the rooms. All these features make it different from traditional laboratories with just plain white walls. How well this space has been utilized can be known from the fact that the old bathroom space has been modified into the area for doing wet treatments on objects, and open shelves have been converted into closed cupboards to store conservation supplies.
Our work consists of dealing with interesting and often difficult cases of museum objects when they are in their advanced stages of damage. Our job requires a lot of patience, observation skills, and enthusiasm day after day while working on a single object.
Recently, we had been working on Mewar paintings, which required fixing the cracking and falling paint layer under the microscope. This required settling each tiny piece of paint with application of suitable conservation grade adhesive using a thin brush. A process that sometimes took 20 days for a single painting, considering the size of these huge paintings. This process can actually be very physically demanding. A strained back and weak eyesight are just some of the side effects we faced. But a task well completed was the final reward. Sometimes the condition in which some of the objects arrive in the laboratory make us feel sad. For example, when the painting has been completely lost in certain areas, or in case of severe damages by insects, as can be seen here, which cannot be reversed. Our work, however, does not operate in isolation. We also need the support of a variety of members from the museum extended staff to save our invaluable heritage. Hence, recently we conducted training programs for our museum attendants, museum security personnel, and museum guides. This was a memorable experience for us. The enthusiasm they displayed and the overwhelming response we received took us by surprise and made us confident that by joining hands we can save our heritage from many damages. The participants were extremely happy to receive letters of appreciation at the end of the program and showed it off to their family and friends. As you have seen, our job and responsibilities need us to be physically active and alert all the time. This means appropriate breaks are needed so as not to exhaust ourselves. We have a very non traditional office with perky furniture overlooking the beautiful Lake Pichola and the majestic Aravalis in the distance, where our tea and coffee breaks help us refresh our minds and bodies to deal with the task at hand. We are both non locals, and the pain of staying away from our families for extended periods of time is somewhat compensated by the fact that we are passionate about our work, and our contribution to saving the heritage of our country does not seem like a job. Moreover, our unique workspace makes us look forward to each day being here.